In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make video ads for any product completely automatically just by giving Hermes Agent one product image. Now, if you don't know what Hermes Agent is, it's a self-improving AI agent, which basically means unlike a normal chatbot, which forgets everything when you close it, Hermes remembers your thing and actually learns from it. So the more you use it, the more better it gets. And the good thing is, it just launched a desktop app and now anyone can use it. And that's exactly what we'll use to make our video ads today. The way it works is very simple. Inside Hermes Agent, I'll add something called Higgsfield CLI, and don't worry, I'll show you everything step by step, and after that you will provide only the product image and Hermes will build the complete video ad for you. So I'll take you through the whole thing from the start. First I'll show you how to set it up, then I'll create a few of these ads right in front of you so you can see for yourself how real it actually looks. So let's start from the very beginning. So right now I'm on Hermes Agent, and in here I'm using the Hermes Agent desktop app, and if you also want to use this application and you want to set up that for the first time, then I made a video and I added in here. So make sure that after watch this video, you also watch that video where I've shown that how anyone can set up the Hermes Agent in their desktop. By the way guys, if you want to learn more about AI, then you can join my private school community, the Hello AI. Inside there you'll get access to all of my premium level lessons with ready-made templates and workflows. And also we do live session call every week where you can join and ask me anything they are live, and as a community member you'll get direct messaging support from me. So if you're really interested to explore different ways to make money through AI, then this community is a perfect fit for you. The link is given in the description, and nothing to lose, just give it a try for 1 month. So back in the tutorial, in here our first task is we have to add the Higgsfield CLI with our Hermes Agent, because in here Hermes Agent will only just take the product image and then it will analyze the product image. After that it will just generate the prompt, but to generate the video we have to use the Higgsfield, and throughout the Higgsfield we'll use the Cadence 2.0 model, and that's the base model right now to generate video ads. So to add the Higgsfield CLI, first of all you have to come to this exit website that's called higgsfield.ai/CLI, and no worries, I'd given the link in the description, and make sure that you have a Higgsfield account, otherwise you can't do that. So after just creating the account, you will just come to this website higgsfield.ai/CLI, and from here you can see that you can add the Higgsfield with your Claude, with Cursor, with OpenClaw, and also in this case right now we'll add that with Hermes. And if you're a Claude user, I already made several videos with Claude plus Higgsfield, so you'll get those videos on my YouTube channel. So in this case I'll just choose Hermes, and make sure that you'll choose the CLI in here, because for Hermes the MCP is not available. So for that case we have to go with the CLI. And if you don't know the basic difference between the MCP and CLI, MCP means Model Context Protocol and CLI means Command Line Interface, and which lets our Hermes Agent to control the Higgsfield through typing command into the terminal. And in here you only have to go with these three processes. First of all, install the CLI, then go with the sign in, and then plug skills into your AI agent. So you can do these things manually, but I prefer you to go with the most easiest way. So in this case, just take a screenshot of this whole thing as like this, and then we'll just give the screenshot to Hermes, and then we'll say that just follow that instruction and install the Higgsfield CLI into this Hermes agent. So for that I'll just take the screenshot, and as I already told you what I will say, I'll just paste the screenshot in here, and then I'll say this exit command, and after that I'll go with send. You simply have to wait, and the rest of the things will Hermes Agent do by itself. As you can see, it already saying me the Higgsfield CLI installed successfully, and right now I only have to sign in to my Higgsfield account, and for that I have to paste this exit command to my command box. So for that I'll just copy this command, and then I'll open my command box just by typing cmd, because in here I'm using the Windows, and then I'll just paste this exit command, and then I'll go with enter. So as you can see, it's asking me right now to connect the Higgsfield with this exact device. So I'll just go with connect. As you can see, the device authorized successfully. And right now, let me say that, you know what, I added the Higgsfield CLI. Can you please check? So as you can see in here, it's saying me sign in and working successfully. And that's the email address I'm using to connect with the Higgsfield. And right now I have that much credit left. And that's the plan in here. Okay, that's great. It actually worked successfully. And right now let's go with the task just by giving some random product images, and then I'll say to our Hermes agent to make some video ads for that. So for that I'll go with a new session, and now we have to give the product image, and to do that first of all we have to go with this plus, and then I'll go with images, and let's go with this one, and then I'll go with open. So after giving the product image, we also have to give the folder access where this exact image is located. So for that I'll go with plus again, and then I'll go with folder. And in this case, this exact folder is containing this product image. For that, I'll go with select the folder. And now I can say that as a prompt, what kind of thing I really want. And for that, let's say something like this. By using the Higgsfield CLI that I added with you, please create a 15-second vertical 9:16 UGC style ad. And after that, I had given the prompt like what kind of thing it will contain in the video, in which duration, as you can see that by using the short 1, short 2 and short 4. And as like this, I continued to short 5. And after that, if I go with send, so what's gonna happen, it will use the Higgsfield CLI to generate the video ad. And if you're wondering that you can't give a detailed prompt like this, you only want to give the product image, and after that if you say to Hermes agent just generate the video, and based on that Hermes will ask the requirement like what kind of video ad you want to generate. And let's assume that you said I want to generate this kind of video ad, and after that Hermes agent will do the rest of the things for you, choosing the resolution, choosing the perfect ratio, and also giving the complete prompt. So no worries, I'll show you quickly after just generating this video ad. So here you can see that in just minutes the video is ready, and it's saying me if I go to this exact URL I can see the video, and also if I want I can get the video inside my PC because the video is already automatically saved by Hermes agent in this exact file location. So let me just go to this location just to show you the video is already saved in my device. I'll just copy that path, and then I'll just open my folder address, and in the Explorer I'll just paste that, and you can see as the video in here. And let me just play the video for you.
Okay, I finally found a plant protein that doesn't taste like dirt. 21 grams of protein, 6 grams of fiber, and it's actually organic. No soy, no gluten, no weird aftertaste. I'm not kidding. Tastes like a chocolate milkshake. I'm obsessed.
Awesome, everything just happened automatically. We only just given the prompt, and the Hermes agent did the rest of the things. Basically it used the Higgsfield CLI to send the command, and inside the Higgsfield it used the Cadence 2.0, which is a video generation model, to generate the video ad. And after that it actually got the video and then put this thing in here. And not only this, also it saved that inside my PC. So as I already told you that I'll show another way where you don't have to give the prompt or just any kind of details. You only have to give the product image, and the Hermes agent will do the rest of the things. So for that I'll give a product image at first. So here's the product image, and as like the previous one, also had given access to the exact folder so that it can get access to this exact image. And now unlike the previous one, I'll just say that in here generate a video ad instead of giving a detailed prompt. So let's say generate a video ad, that's it, and then I'll go with send. So in here, as you can see, that's my command release to Hermes agent. And now just see that what our Hermes agent will do. So here's the response from Hermes agent. It's asking me which type of ad format you want to go with this exact product. In this case, that's a headphone. So it's asking me, do you want to go with a TV spot type, or like a hypermotion or UGC type ad, or like unboxing? And also if I have another answer, I can give this thing in here. Okay, so let's say that I want to make a video ad which will be like hypermotion type, and I'll just choose hypermotion. That's all it is. Now Hermes agent will actually just generate the prompt, and also it find out which ratio and what type of resolution will go with this exact product, the perfect. And based on that it will just send the request to the Higgsfield through the Higgsfield CLI, and then it will just get the video in here. So how it's working, basically in here I added the skill. So if I go to the skills and tools section, you can see there's a skills, and as like the Claude, also we can actually add skills with Hermes agent. But unlike the Claude, you can easily add skills. There are actually options which is called like add new skill. You can add that easily, but inside the Hermes agent you can't do that. Either you have to add the skill inside the exact folder where the skills are located, or you have to say to Hermes agent just by giving a detailed description that you want a skill in this exact way, why it have to follow this exact guideline. So in here I did the same thing, and then I made this exact skill which is called Higgsfield ad generator. You can see that, and now it's showing me it's activated. So through this skill, basically it will generate the prompt for any product based on the user response, what kind of ad user really wanted, and then it will use the Higgsfield CLI to generate the exact video ad. So if you want to add this exact skill inside your Hermes agent, you have to give a very detailed and specific command, and I had given the command inside the Hello AI community. So if you're a Hello AI community member, you have to just go to the classroom section, and then you have to go to the Hermes agent section, and there you will find this exact command, okay, where it says that Hermes agent plus Higgsfield automatic video ads. So you only have to just copy this whole command, where in detail it mentioned in here what kind of things it have to do. So I'll just copy the whole thing as like this, and then I'll just go back to the Hermes and make sure that you just go with a new session, and make sure also you add the Higgsfield CLI, And after that, you only have to just give this command as like this. As you can see, I just pasted the whole command. So after just sending this command, it will take some time, and then it will create the skill, and it will show that the skill has been created, and also it has added successfully with your Hermes agent. And after that, if you go to the skills and tools, and then if you search for Higgsfield, you'll see that the Higgsfield generator skill is successfully added. And after that, every time if you upload a product image to Hermes agent, and then if you say that just simply generate a video ad for this exact product, it will use this exact skill to generate the prompt and also do the rest of the things for you. So let's go back to our task and let's see what's really happening. Here you can see the video is ready, and right now it's pulling out the URL in here. Here's the video, and in here also we can see that there's the detailed description what type of video it really is. So in here we only need the video, so for that we'll just go to this URL. Oh damn, that's 10 out of 10. You know what? Like in here, as you saw that we didn't given anything, we just say that, you know, that's our product image and generate a video ad for that, and only just choose that I need a hypermotion video for that. That's it. Also, I made another video ad. So as like the previous one, I did the same thing. I just uploaded this product image, and then I say that generate a video ad, and then Hermes agent asked me this question. Basically it said me which format you want to go with from these 12 type of format, and then I choose hypermotion, and after that it did the rest of the thing. It just generated the video, and here's the video in here. Let me also show this video. That's also 10 out of 10. So basically in here, from the duration to the prompt, everything it chose by itself. So yeah, that's the whole thing. I hope that this video helped you. If yes, then please drop a like, and if you're new in this channel, please subscribe this channel. It motivated me a lot when someone subscribe, when someone just comment a good thing to the videos. So yeah, just stay with this channel and see you with a new video. Till then, peace.